In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription on Xero. Whether you're cleaning up your list of services or need to manage your expenses more efficiently, knowing how to cancel a subscription in Xero is a helpful skill. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, and ensure that you can confidently handle this on your own. First, you're going to need to log into your Xero account using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct login details handy. If you've forgotten your password, Xero provides an easy option to reset it, so you can still access your account without hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the subscription and billing area, which may be labeled slightly differently as subscriptions in your view. This section is typically found under the Company or My Xero menu. The exact labeling might differ based on your account setup, but with a bit of exploration, you'll find it. These menus are designed intuitively, so don't worry if it takes a moment to locate the right place. After you've arrived at the subscription and billing page, you'll see an option to Manage Subscription. This is your gateway to viewing and modifying all of your active subscriptions within Xero. Simply click on it. Within the Manage Subscription interface, your primary task is to locate the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Going through this list, you'll notice that each subscription entry has a More Options button next to it. This is often represented by 3 small dots, a familiar symbol for accessing additional settings or options. Click on this icon to reveal more choices for managing your subscription. After clicking on the More Options button, a drop-down menu will appear with various actions. From this menu, you will see Cancel Subscription as an option. Selecting this will initiate the process of canceling the chosen subscription. Following through with the cancellation will usually prompt a confirmation step, ensuring that you genuinely intend to stop the service. Please take a moment here to confirm your decision, as canceling will result in losing access to whatever features or services the subscription provides. If you're sure this is what you want to do, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your subscription in Xero. As a final tip, remember to check your email for any confirmation messages regarding the cancellation. This is typically sent out by Xero to confirm that the process has been completed. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process of managing your Xero subscriptions a breeze. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more instructional content.